Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so we notify next time I drop the video. So the news that have updated you today is that Nabi gives his verdict on Samkelo's progress at Kaizer Chiefs. Nabi said, "It's true that Samkelo has worked a lot in the past few months, and we believe that he has changed before because before there were some tactical issues and concentration because he's still young." Nabi said, "Sometimes he will want to do unnecessary things, but it's through games like this against Supersports that our youngest will grow. It's not only him, it's Shabalala, Duba and Vilagaz. We believe that is capital investment for the club to have those players coming from the academy. And we need to show that all those are going to have a chance if they prove themselves. They still have a big margin to progress, and we have not seen the better of them yet, but we believe that future we'll see the better of them." So if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please read out your thoughts on the comment section.